Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to type first, second, third in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to type first, second and third. Firstly, write the first, second, third text. Now I write the 1, then write ST first, then press enter, then write the second, write 2, then press NV, then press 3, then write RD. Now we want to type this text top of this number. Select the text, then go to the home menu, then click the superscript option, then again apply the same process in another text. Now we can see we type the first, second and third number very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.